Fireflies versus Descript. Which is better for you? Links to both products are in the description below. Let's dive straight into the comparison, focusing on features, usability, and who these tools are best suited for. Fireflies and Descript are both powerful tools in the transcription and audio editing space, but they cater to slightly different needs. Fireflies is primarily a transcription tool designed to capture and organize meeting notes, with an emphasis on collaboration. It automatically transcribes meetings, integrates seamlessly with tools like Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams, and allows you to highlight, comment, and assign tasks directly within the transcription. It's built for teams that need to streamline their meeting workflows, ensuring everyone is on the same page without manually taking notes. Descript, on the other hand, is an all-in-one audio and video editing platform that combines transcription, editing, and screen recording into a single tool. What sets Descript apart is its text-based editing feature, where you can edit audio by editing the text. Cutting out words or phrases is as simple as deleting text in a document. This makes Descript incredibly powerful for podcasters, video creators, and content marketers who need a simple yet robust tool for editing audio and video. Additionally, Descript offers features like overdub, AI voice cloning, multi-track editing, and screen recording, making it more than just a transcription tool. It's a full-fledged content creation platform. So, who should use Fireflies? If your primary need is to transcribe and organize meeting notes with a focus on collaboration and task management, Fireflies is your go-to. It's straightforward, integrates with most meeting platforms, and is perfect for teams looking to enhance productivity during meetings. On the other hand, if you're a content creator, podcaster, or anyone who needs to edit audio and video regularly, Descript is the better choice. Its intuitive editing features, combined with powerful transcription capabilities, make it ideal for creating polished content without needing advanced editing skills. Descript is also great for those who want to repurpose their content across different formats, thanks to its seamless workflow between text, audio, and video. In conclusion, choose Fireflies if you need a simple, collaborative tool for transcribing and managing meeting notes. Opt for Descript if you're looking for a versatile tool that goes beyond transcription and into the realm of content creation. Each tool has its strengths, so the best choice depends on your specific needs.